ladies, I want to do just a real quick little get ready with me. We're not going to be doing the whole, whole face of makeup or anything, but I do want to focus on the eyes with the Urban Decay, the Naked Cherry palette. And also I did pick up the NARS Hot Twist, and this is going to be the cheeks and the highlighter. And also I want to go ahead and share with you a little kit that I picked up from Too Faced. It has got a lipstick and a beautiful little item here, and it is called the Peach Tinsel. This is so pretty. So anyway, I hope that you will stick around. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start out this with the eye look, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay. This is the Naked Cherry palette. Very heavy duty palette here. Here's a really good shot of the inside of that palette. Really pretty colors. I'm picking up a fluffy brush here, and I'm going to go into the shade right here, and it is called Hot Spot, and I'm going to load up my brush. I went ahead and prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in the Soft Ochre. I've got a fluffy brush that I'm picking up, and I'm going to go in between this shade right here, which is Feels, and this one right here, which is called Juicy. And we're going right in here in the crease. I'm going to go back into the palette with a little bit of a less fluffy brush, and this one is the shade called Ring. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this color right here. It is called Young Love. Now I sprayed just a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus on the brush, and I'm just going to go right here on the inside corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and just go on the outside corner of my eyelid. I'm going to taking that first shade that I used to set that primer with, and I'm just going back in here on the inside, the middle of my eyelid, and just kind of lightening that back up just a little bit. Same brush, dipping into this shade right here, and it is called Turn On. I went ahead and sprayed just a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus on the brush, and I'm just putting that over top of that area right there, right in the middle of my eyelid. With a much less fluffier brush, I'm going to go in here in the shade right here, and it is called Drunk Dial. I'm going to go in the outside of this crease area. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush palette that I got. This is the one from NARS, and it is called Hot Twist. That is what those colors look like right there. I want to go ahead and work with the shades that are in the top of the palette. They're more of a pinky, more of a berry color, whereas the bottom row, it's more of that peachy corally look. So I think that that top row is going to go a little bit better with the colors that I've got on. I'm going to go ahead and take my little blush brush and barely kind of tap into that top really vibrant color and tap it up here on my cheeks. These colors are really pretty and very pigmented. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab just a little bit of that lighter shade that's right there in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and choose the top highlighter right up here. I went ahead and just did a little bit of swatching here for you. The top three shades right here are these right here. They're really pretty. And then the bottom row are the ones that are right here. So right there is the highlight. Right there's the highlight, and then the next shade. Now I know that I did use the highlighter out of that NARS palette, but I got the Too Faced. This is called the Peach Tinsel. So it does come with a little safety cap seal here at the top. This is what it looks like swatched. Isn't that just so pretty? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just strategically place this higher above up here. Isn't that pretty? I love playing glittery shiny stuff. It's so pretty. This is going to be so wonderful for like Christmas parties and stuff. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is so pretty. And this one does have just a little bit of that very fine, I mean very fine micro glitter in it. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. Love it. I love this one. I want to go ahead and add just a little lipstick to my look here. When I purchased the Too Faced the Peach Tinsel, there was also a little lipstick in there, and there was also this cute little powder puff thing. And the shade in this is called Sunday Funday. It's got really cute little packaging here. There's that shade right there. It's really pretty, like a peachy color with maybe like a little bit of a brown undertone in it. So it's not exactly going to match everything that I've got going because I've got a lot of pinks going on. But I want to go ahead because I can always put a little bit of a lip gloss on there on top of it. That'll kind of change it up a little bit. I want to go ahead and give this a try. The gloss that I'm going to be using is by MAC, and it is called Lip Glass, and the shade is called Good Juju. There's that shade right there beside that lipstick. I think once I get it put on top, I think it'll really kind of even out my look. Not what I was going for, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off and start over. I'm going to try this one here from Becca, and this one is called Rose Quartz, and I think it's going to work much better on the look that I want. It's over here on this side over here. Okay, not exactly what I was going for either. So I think what I'm trying to hurry here because we've got a storm that's moving in. So I'm going to very quickly take off what I've got and just, I think I'm going to kind of ditch that lipstick. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so we're going to try this over. I'm going to go to just my good old standby, and this is MAC Bombshell. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the City Beauty City Lips, and the shade is called Tinseltown. Much better. That's what I was going for. I want to go ahead and do a little recap of all of the new items that I shared with you in this video. Let's start out with the Urban Decay The Naked Cherry. I love this palette. It is wonderful. As I started transitioning into the darker shades, they just blended just effortlessly. I mean, it was just really, really easy to work with, easy to come up with, you know, the look that I did. Yes, these are all, you know, like the pinky shades or, you know, a little bit of the brown tones in there, but they are beautiful. And with this palette, I mean, you know, you can come up with some really, you know, dramatic looks or, you know, just some everyday little simple looks, you know, with just a couple little colors on your eyes, but these are beautiful. I love this palette. Now for the Hot Tryst palette, I love the packaging on this. First of all, yes, you do get a really nice big old mirror in here. I really do believe that this could be like a little multitasker palette here where you could use some of these shadows, some of these shades in here as eyeshadows. I mean, they'd be really, really pretty. I could have popped this one right here easily into the look that I've got. I mean, this one over here would have been really pretty up there on my brow bone. Now for the Too Faced Peach Tinsel, I mean, I just love this. It is beautiful. I mean, beautiful on the skin. I'm going to have so much fun with this. I truly am. I mean, I just love things like this. And, you know, you get a whole lot of product in here, a whole lot. And the kit, I mean, it came with the full size of this and the full size tube of the lipstick, and you also got a little poof puff as well. The lipstick, I do like the lipstick, but I wish it would have come, you know, in a pinkier color because, you know, I always lean more toward pinks. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and please that little algorithm system that YouTube has by saying, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click on that little subscribe button. You're more than welcome to ring on that little bell, and YouTube's gonna let you know each and every time I upload a brand new video. I would appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up. Also, you're more than welcome to scroll down and leave me a comment. I appreciate each and every one of you so very, very much for hanging out with me. And as always, I wish you all a safe and wonderful day. Bye.